Introducing fully automatic magnetic drilling SWC 35AT. Auto feed, auto reverse, auto stop. Please read operating manual for installation, safety, and other precautions before operating the machine. Core drills up to diameter 35 mm length, 50 mm. Auto carbons, machine stops automatically when carbon wears out. Surge and voltage protection against power fluctuation. Install handles lever as shown. Install coolant bottle. Fix coolant pipe. Fill coolant with appropriate mixture of coolant. Mount core drill into the spindle as shown. Tighten screw to the flat surface of the core drill. Switch on the magnet, followed by motor on and off switch. Bring handle lever down. Once the pilot pin touches the surface, push the handle lever as shown to initiate in automatic feed mode. No need to monitor the machine. Once the hole is drilled, the machine will automatically reverse to its original position and stops automatically. SWC 35AT is equipped with overload protection. Machine stops automatically, sensing overload. Overload protection to avoid accidents and cutter breakage.